Miscarriage, unfortunately, breaks our body both physically, mentally, and emotionally. A very commonly asked question is, Doctor, when is my body ready to try again? Hello friends, I am Dr. Prachi Banara, consultant, gynecologist and fertility. So unfortunately, after a miscarriage, most of the couples contemplate when should be the right time to try again. When is our body ready for next pregnancy? In case if we try too early, will it lead to another miscarriage? So dear friends, we should understand that though our body needs rest after a miscarriage, more mentally, also waiting for too long can decrease and deplete our ovarian reserve and egg quality. So what should be the time duration when we are ready to conceive again? If the miscarriage was an early miscarriage, which means if it was before 6 weeks and it spontaneously got resolved, it did not require a DNC to be done, then friends, our body is ready physically and biologically after 1 month to again try for a pregnancy. If this miscarriage happened more than 6 weeks and less than 12 weeks, then usually we advise to take rest for 1 or 2 months before we try conceiving again. So routinely, this time duration is the amount of time the body needs to again normalize the hormonal milieu. The beta HCG or the pregnancy hormone starts declining. The estrogen and progesterone levels are optimal, and then you can try for your next pregnancy. But always remember, if we try to delay the pregnancy for 6 months, 8 months, year or moreover, there is always a tension of declining ovarian reserve and declining ovarian quality. At the same time, it is also important that if you've suffered 2 or more than 2 miscarriages, it is important that you sit with your fertility specialist and understand what can be the most common reasons of these recurrent miscarriages. You might be asked to get a blood test called antiphospholipid antibody done, which is done 6 weeks later after an abortion. You might be requested to get a 3D ultrasound done. Sometimes genetic analysis of the couple called karyotype and whole exome sequencing is done to rule out any genetic causes of recurrent miscarriages. A semen test called DNA fragmentation index, which can also lead to multiple miscarriages, is also advised before you start conceiving again. When you are again trying for a pregnancy, make sure that your thyroid levels, your sugar levels and your BMI is appropriate. It is also important that your diet is well balanced and you are away from addictions like alcohol and smoking. The good news is that miscarriages or recurrent miscarriages are very rare to happen. So friends, in case your pregnancy couldn't continue, do not feel low, do not feel heartbroken. You can try again and achieve beautiful pregnancy. Thank you.